So I'm setting up my Milwaukee pack-out system for my mobile maintenance business that I'm going to be doing. Coming here soon. Ooh, I lost this. But this to me is absolutely awesome. I feel kind of dumb. All I had to do was actually modify the drawers to get this to fit. And I'm going to do the 3 drawers here. The other cool thing too is the gear wrench set, the one at Home Depot right now, it comes with ratcheting wrenches from like 10 to 19, which is really cool. So you get 3/8 and 1/4 inch, but you don't get 1/2 inch, and that's kind of a bummer. But I'm going to switch that. I think I actually might get the Husky one, which is $100 too, just so that I can get the bottom for the 1/2 inch drive. If you guys have any better recommendations what I should do for a 1/2 inch drive set, I want something that has everything already organized. I don't care if I have to modify the drawers, but I just want to make it super simple to set up or whatnot. Because again, I already have $15,000 in mechanic tools, but I want to keep those where I have them. And I just want to make something separate, again, for simple maintenance. So all 4 of these drawers, you're going to have 1/4, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and then, I'll do another one for, I think, like oil change stuff, like just like the sockets and all that. And then I'm going to do this one. I'm going to organize the wrenches out here, do that in like one drawer, more wrenches, brake flare, line wrenches, all that kind of stuff. And then start doing like power tool drawers. And then one of these is going to be for my scan tool, and then the other one's just going to be like a catch-all. Right now these have my microfiber towels in them, but I think that's a pretty cool setup. And again, it's not bad. I wanted it to be modular too, so that it'd fit in any application I wanted to put in, because I wanted to go get a van, but I'm not going to get the van now, so I'm going to use it out of a truck. So I wanted it to go in the back of a pickup truck.